time to take this makeup off, and I was debating whether I wanted to do a makeup print, and I kind of didn't want to because I've been feeling lazy, but then I thought about it and I was like, no, I should. What if it turns out good? You know the drill. I'm taking my lashes off. Why did I say it like that? Getting out the makeup wipe. Spraying my face with a little bit of water. I don't know why I feel the need to narrate everything I'm doing. Like, you can literally see that I'm spraying my face with water. Anyways, let's do the print. Scary. Off center. Okay, I think it should be printed. Oh, the moment of truth. Look at that. It actually turned out kind of cute. I don't mind this. I'm not that mad at this. Of course, we need the makeup fuel. Makeup fuel? I didn't even say that right. What's happening to my Okay, well, my brain has officially shut off, so I'm gonna go shower. My dear friends and family, guess what time it is? Yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. I already took this contact out because it was annoying me. Now I'm gonna take this lash off, and hear me out. I feel like this makeup would be good for a makeup print. I know you guys are probably so fed up with me and my makeup prints at this point, but I can't help it. Brand new pack of makeup wipes. Oof. Lightly spray my face with water. And now the print, I'm gonna do really off-centered so I can get the teeths. Let's see. Wait, that is actually kind of terrifying. It printed really well though. You cannot tell where my eyes are, but I feel like that's a part of the fun. Also, I have so many of these, so if anyone has any idea what I can do with them, please let me know. And I mean, like, should I sell them? No, I'm just kidding. Unless... Still, I can't leave you guys without the nightmare fuel. I want to make a compilation of all the times I've said this, like nightmare fuel. That would be kind of fun. I'm too lazy to do that though, but one day. Okay, I'm gonna go shower. Oh my god. I think this look healed something so deep inside of me that I wasn't aware of. Now I'm emotionally attached to this makeup now, and I don't want to take it off. And you guys know that this could only mean one thing, which is a makeup print. Love how it looks with the filter, but I'm gonna take it off. Also gonna take the hat off, the lash off, and the contact out. Come on. There she goes. I actually had this look on for quite some time just because I couldn't bring myself to part ways with it. And I mean, you can see the damage. It's not as perfect as it was when I first applied it, but that's normal. Every time I need to remove my makeup, the "I can't take it off" sound plays in my head on repeat. I can't take it off. Take it off. Okay. I'm so scared. I want it to look good. Please look good. Please look good. Please look good. Okay, wait. There's a wrinkle on this side. I didn't feel it. It definitely looks better on my face than it does on the makeup wipe, but you win some, you lose some. At least I have something to remember this by. And of course, we need the nightmare fuel. Oof, I got paint on my mouth. Okay. And now I'm gonna go wash my face and maybe take a bath. I haven't taken a bath in a while. Mwah, love you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you guys? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Obviously, there's no prosthetics on my face, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing a makeup print. Ooh. I'm gonna take my wig off, so bear with me while I look insane. My light just fell on my table and almost knocked over a full cup of water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna very lightly spray my face. That's good. That's just gonna help the makeup transfer better. Okay, let's go for it. We're going to take my lash off. Oh my god, let's go! This is what I'm talking about. There's some wrinkles, but overall, success. I love the chest piece, but it's too big for any makeup wipe, so eh. But it is time for the nightmare fuel. Wait, first. Oh, this is so sad. I look like the moon emoji again, but I think I'm gonna need to take the rest of this off in the shower.
Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This took way longer than I expected, and I kind of don't want to take it off, but I have to. I think I start here. Oh my god, I didn't know it was all one piece now. I usually throw the prosthetics out after I use them, but this is kind of cute. I'ma save it. Now I gotta take the rest of this off. This is nightmare fuel right here. Alright, I'm pretty much done, but I ran out of contact solution, and I don't know whether I should go to Target like this or leave my contacts dry for 15 minutes. Help. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Yes, it is time to take this off again. Starting off with the wig. I am very excited to see again. Okay. Oh, and the second one. Nice. I need to drive my siblings to their dance class in 5 minutes, so we about to speed run this removal. Oh boy. Ow. Okay, there's no going back now. Oh my god. Ah. I can't even open my mouth all the way, what? If that's not nightmare fuel, I don't know what is. Okay, I want to see if I can rip it with just my mouth. Ah, yes I can. Oh, that does not feel good. Okay, let's take it off. It does not want to leave my face, but I will make it. I look like a clown. I also feel like a clown, which says a lot. I'm running short on time, and as much as I hate it, I'm whipping out the makeup wipe. I feel like I haven't used one in so long. Oh, nice. Ah, my skin is stained in some spots, but it's okay. I need to leave, but... Alright, you guys. I'm so sorry for that jump scare. But yes, it is time to take this off again. I can't open my mouth, or talk, or breathe, and I can't feel my face. It's lovely, I know. And here we go. Okay, I'm not doing that again. I'm not doing that. I'm just trying to get our lips. Oh, bottom lip is free. If I keep moving my face, I'm gonna get really scared. Okay. How do I don't know. Oh, okay. Watch this. I just don't want to stretch it too much. I want it to come off in one piece. Oh no, it has my hair. It's fine, maybe I need to do it fast. Oh, it's fine, I didn't need hair anyways. Ah! Okay, we're basically there. This. And you can see the hairs that got ripped out. It feels so good to feel my skin.
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, half Halloween, half Christmas edition. I don't know which holiday I like better. I feel like since I'm a makeup artist, I should like Halloween better. Like, I feel like makeup artists on Halloween is like werewolves on the full moon. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, basically, that's when we're thriving. This is depressing. I guess I could have done this first. Oh, wow. I had one, eyelash on. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey there, you little freaks. Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy, and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow, because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So, like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day today.
Get unready with me, Aries edition. Let me take off these horns, take off this choker, take out these contacts. Let me take off these lashes. Oh no, this one's stuck. And now we're gonna start wiping it. Let's get the other side. Here goes the Aries symbol on that side. And this beautiful ram in the middle of my forehead. Let's get this eye. And can't forget about this eye. And finally, the lips. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, handsome Squidward edition. Alright, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah, part of it. Ah. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some spirit gum remover. I can't, I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. You already know. I wasn't sure how this look was gonna turn out, but honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's start with the subscribe button. Nice. Now we gotta take this monstrosity off. Ow! Just kidding, I feel no pain. I'm pretty sure that one ripped out my hair a little bit, but it's okay. Gotta take the lash off too. I literally just washed my hair, so I was trying so hard to not get blood in it. But now we just gotta take off the rest of the makeup. I mean, it's not even that scary. This is kind of a nice ombre. Okay, wait, this is the most satisfying part. And then this side. And I am all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So, like, if any zombie movies need, like, a zombie, y'all know who to call. I, like, do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Ah! Alright, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure. I can't talk. I can't talk. Oh dear God. Ah. Oh, that's my earring. Cute, right? Boom. I look like a carved pumpkin right now. Perfect. Look at that. Yes. I'll be right back. Now my mom's asleep, so I can't talk loud, but I'm kind of glad she didn't see this because she would definitely send me to therapy. Yes. Oh, and by the way, I'll be posting a tutorial on this look soon, so look out for that. My skin can finally breathe.